Here we are yet again, another video on how to install the Blue Shift mod for Black Mesa. I have actually figured out how to do it yet again, so I'm just gonna get right into it. First things first, if you have Black Mesa installed, just uninstall it and reinstall it. I already did that. We're just going to move on, so just do that first. Next, you're going to want to go to the Workshop tab under Black Mesa. You can use the search bar here to type in Blue Shift, or you can just scroll to the bottom. It should be here. So Black Mesa Blue Shift by HECU Collective. Click on that. If you are already subscribed, I would just hit unsubscribe and subscribe again. That'll download all of the files that you need to add into the base game files. Moving on from there, you are going to want to go back to the game. So Black Mesa, right click, manage, browse local files, and I'll bring it up here. That's what it's going to look like. In a separate window, you're going to want to go to this PC, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, Workshop, content, that number in the middle there, and that long ass number there. And here are the Blue Shift files. So what you're going to want to do is take all of them, drag and drop, boom. Very similar to the last couple videos I've made, isn't it? So it's actually going to be just a tad different from here on out. And it's actually very easy. What you could do is you can actually double click on the installation document here. And I'll bring it over. This actually shows you how to do it if you're interested. I'm just going to cut the bullshit and actually show you anyway. But it's there if you need it. And close out of that. What you're going to want to do is double click on B-Shift Launch. And you have two options here. You can either type in 1 Old Game UI or 2 Old Game UI plus DXVK. You're going to hit the number 1 and enter. Lastly, you're going to go back to Black Mesa, right click, and click on Properties. And in the General tab on the very bottom here under Launch Options, you're going to want to type this exactly like it is. /game space B-Shift. After that, you just close. You're going to hit play. So it gives you launch options now. You're going to want to hit play DXVK, and then you'll just hit play. So I already tried this, and it cut off the recording after it launched the game. So I'm just going to tell you right now, this is the end. The game will come up. The mod will work. So I have seen a ton of comments on my last video stating that my method did not work anymore. They couldn't open the game at all. They couldn't figure out how to open it. I apologize that it has taken me so long to figure out another method on how to do it, but finally I have found out how to do it, thankfully. And yeah, again, my apologies. I do feel bad because I'm definitely not a whiz when it comes to mods at all. This is one of the only mods I've ever installed. So yeah, I'm definitely not a fucking brainiac when it comes to this shit. But yeah, I figured out how to get it to work, and hopefully it works for you guys. That's it. Enjoy.